Could this be the best Pixel phone yet? Let's find out. So today in front of me I have the Google Pixel 6. We're going to be opening up the Stormy Black version. It also comes in two other colors, the sorta seafoam and kinda coral. I don't know where Google got those color names from, but those are the colors they chose. So we went ahead and just stuck with the Stormy Black. I was gracious enough to borrow this phone from a friend, so we are just going to be doing an unboxing. We're not going to be setting this thing up as much as I would love to show you guys that. We're just going to be taking a look at the physical aspects of the phone, as well as some of the accessories that come in the box. So let's open it up. Wow. So I feel, there we go, easy peasy. Am I? There we go. Sorry, I struggled there a little bit. But there it is. Pixel 6 in the Stormy Black. Team Pixel. Alright, so just opening it up. There's no plastic on the box, which is nice. I know a lot of people have been trying to get away from single-use plastics. So the fact that the box itself is not covered in plastic is great to me. It just seems like there's two little pull tabs here on the side. And it looks like they're easy rip-away tabs. So we're just going to pull those off. All right there, yeah. Pull those off. And then that should just slide on out. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So the phone is just immediately right there when you open the box. And it looks like there's a pull tab to pull the phone up. This is a hard surface, and this is an all glass back with the camera bump, so I'm just going to be very careful with this phone. I'm actually probably just going to set it in the box for now. There doesn't seem to be nothing up there. Alright, so we're just going to set this in the box for now, just to take a look at the accessories. Alright. So it looks like you get a charger. I don't see a brick. Maybe it's under these instructions here. Whoops. So you get an adapter for USB-A to USB-C, which is nice, but no brick. And I actually didn't know that Google made that choice, but apparently they did. You do get a double-sided USB-C charger. So the unfortunate thing is that these companies do assume that we all have bricks already, but not a lot of people have USB-C bricks. So I think that's something they should have maybe waited to the next phone, but that's one thing to look out for. You will need a USB-C brick unless you have a USB-C to USB-A charger. So that's one thing to be wary of, because this charger is for USB-A to USB-C, not USB-C to USB-C-A. So that's just one thing to look out. You can definitely charge this in your computer, but you won't be able to charge this in the wall unless you have a USB-C brick or a USB-C to USB-A charger. But anyway, let's get back to the phone. Cause this is what you're here to see, the phone, right? Look at that. So it looks like it's glass and there's metal on the side. That just feels premium. And they actually had the pull tab, actually looks like it's gonna cover the screen. Oh, look at that. And that is a beautiful device. Oh my god. That is a beautiful phone. Looks like the 8 megapixel front facing camera is right there in the center. So some people don't like the hole punch cameras, but if you do like that, it's going to be right there in the center. I don't think it should obstruct the view too much. We are going to turn this on. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, so it doesn't look like the regular version has the curved edges. I know the Pixel 6 Pro has curved edges on the side. I actually prefer this coming from as a Galaxy Note user. I've had a ton of accidental bumps using this. With the edge, with the palm right there, but this is just a beautiful phone. And as you can see, the cameras are all there in the bump, and it's just a slight bump. We're gonna put this on the table ever so slightly. Actually, let's just put it on the case. So there is gonna be some slight angling when you put it down, but I do like the fact that it is a bar, because now you don't have the camera in the corner, so your phone isn't kind of at a weird angle. At least when it's gonna be at an angle, it's all gonna be leveled on one thing. And look, that's the setup right there. Just set up your Pixel. Like I said, I did borrow this phone, so we're not going to get too much into that. We're just going to take a good look at this beauty. Just show you that you get the USB-A to USB-C charger, the double-sided USB-C cable, and some instructions in the box. Not much to it. I'm really happy they didn't seem to use any much plastic, but this is a beautiful device. I definitely want to get one for myself, and then we'll do a much more deep dive, of course. But it is an all metal construction around. It has like a nice black, and there is a two-tone on the black. This is a much lighter gray. I don't know if you can see that with the light, but this is a much lighter gray than here. This is a darker gray with the Google G right there in the middle. And with this bouncing logo, the haptic feedback feels real good. So it just feels like a solid phone overall. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like. It really does help out the channel. I'm really trying to help us grow. Consider subscribing. We have a much more reviews and unboxings coming. And what do you think about the Pixel 6? Are you going to go get one? Are you going to get the Pixel 6 Pro? Or maybe you're just an iPhone user. You just, what do you think about the Pixel 6 if you're an iPhone user? Let us know. Put it all down in the comments below. And on that, peace out. Have a good one.